Hi children, welcome back to your science class. Respiration in organism, module 2. The module 1 we learn about aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. What is meant by aerobic respiration? If the glucose molecule splits into carbon dioxide and water in the presence of oxygen, that is called aerobic respiration. Then what is meant by anaerobic respiration? If the glucose molecule splits into alcohol and releases energy, that is called anaerobic respiration in the absence of oxygen. What is meant by anaerobic respiration? If the glucose molecule splits into alcohol and releases energy in the absence of oxygen, that is called anaerobic respiration. Okay, in the both aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration, energy is evolved. But in the aerobic respiration, large amount of energy is evolved. In the anaerobic respiration, very less amount of energy is evolved. But both aerobic and anaerobic respirations takes place within the cell. So these are cellular respirations. Okay children? Here, why large amount of energy is evolved in aerobic respiration? Because the glucose molecule completely splits. But here, anaerobic respiration, glucose molecules partially splits and releases small amount of energy. Okay? Here, anaerobic respiration, we can observe all maximum living organisms. Anaerobic respiration, we can observe yeast cell. Okay, is there any advantage about anaerobic respiration? So, this is anaerobic respiration. What is children? Anaerobic respiration. So, example. What is the example for anaerobic respiration? Example for anaerobic respiration, that is yeast. So, yeast is a single cell organism. Single cell organism. That is unicellular organism. So, is there any advantage about this anaerobic respiration? So, anaerobic respiration, alcohol is produced. Alcohol is produced. The anaerobic respiration, alcohol is produced. So, because of this, anaerobic respiration is useful in the preparation of wine and beer. In medical industry. Medical industry. Medical industries. See children, alcohol is produced during the anaerobic respiration. That's why this anaerobic respiration is useful in the industries to produce wine and beer. Children, wine and beer, taking wine and beer are not good for health. So, smoking and drinking alcohol is injurious to health. That's right. Never go to that side. there any important or any use of alcohol? Alcohol is useful in medical industries. Children, alcohol is useful when some of the medicines dissolves in the alcohol. If we want to preserve the medicines, some of the chemicals dissolves in the alcohol, and we can preserve them. That's why alcohol is used in medical industries. Tonic bodies. So some medicines we can preserve in the alcohol than the water. So here they use a little amount of alcohol which is not harmful to the body. Okay? That's why. See here anaerobic respiration is important in the medical industries to produce alcohol, to prepare the wine and to prepare beer. And also one more thing, children, here anaerobic respiration, it is useful to prepare bread. To prepare bread. Children, have you ever seen that? Have you ever compared the bread and that roti? So if you compare, so bread looks like a sponge. It looks like a sponge. It has air gaps. Why? Because during the anaerobic respiration, we use the yeast. We use yeast cells. Yeast cells in the preparation of bread. So these yeast cells produce carbon dioxide. Children, CO2 is the formula for the carbon dioxide gas. So this, due to the carbon dioxide gas, bread rises and small holes are formed and the carbon dioxide accumulates in between the bread molecules. These bread molecules. When we bake the bread, the carbon dioxide escapes and the air gaps are left. So that's why bread looks like spongy. It helps to raise the bread. So these are the main uses of anaerobic. What is respiration? Children, we know taking in air rich in oxygen and give out air rich in carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory system is called respiration. What is, children? Respiration. What is meant by respiration? That is taking air rich in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory system. Taking in air rich in oxygen, giving out air rich in carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory system, that is called respiration. Okay, children, taking in oxygen, taking in oxygen. So this is called inhalation. Inhalation means taking air rich in oxygen. Okay, children, give out carbon dioxide. Giving out carbon dioxide. Children, what is this? This is called exhalation. This is called exhalation. Inhalation and exhalation. So taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. So inhalation and exhalation. That means respiration contains both inhalation and exhalation. So each breathing contains inhalation and exhalation. So one after the another. So that is called respiration. What is meant by respiration? Taking in air rich in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide is called respiration. That means inhalation and exhalation is called respiration. Both inhalation and exhalation called respiration. Just please, respiration contains both inhalation and exhalation. Okay, children, that is called respiration. Okay, close your both nostrils. Okay, children, you feel uneasy if you close your nostrils, both the nostrils, and observe how much time you can continue. But within the few seconds, you feel uneasy. So this shows that without breathing, a person cannot survive long time. Cannot survive. So, okay, we can live few days without taking the food and without taking water. But we can't live even few seconds without taking air or without respiration. We can't live without respiration even few seconds. Okay, children? That's why respiration is very, very important, one of the characteristics of living organisms. So, how many times a person can respire? You observe your respiration by looking at watch. Normally, an adult can respire 15 to 18 times per minute. So, the number of respirations in an adult per minute is called rate of respiration. Rate of respiration. Rate of respiration. What is meant by rate of respiration? How many times a person can respire in a minute? That is called rate of respiration. The rate of respiration in human being, the healthy adult, is 15 to 18 times. Children, this is not constant. The rate of respiration varies from situation to situations. For example, when you are in the resting position or sleeping or sitting, then your body requires very less energy. Then the rate of respiration decreases. But when you are doing heavy works, running, walking or jumping or playing, your body requires more energy. Rate of respiration increases. The rate of respiration more in woman than man. Okay, children, this is about rate of